In this video I'm going to show you how to make your Echo Show 5 portable using this GGM battery base. And all you have to do is basically take it out of the box and drop on your Echo Show 5. Hi, this is Justin from Simply Smart, where we make smart home technology as easy as 1, 2, 3. So if you're interested in smart home technology, consider subscribing for more content like this. Also check out the video description for the 3 simple steps to building the ultimate smart home. And in this video what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing this GGMM battery base. This is a model ES5. And what it does is it makes your Echo Show 5 portable so you can take it anywhere you want. This is the actual device here, and as you can see there's basically a platform on the top. On the back you can plug in your power cord that came with your Echo Show 5, and then also there is a power out if you needed to power a USB device. You can use that. And right here is the power cord, and it has a little hole that it goes into to keep it out of the way when you're not using it. But this pops open here, and what you can do is you can take this and plug it into your Echo Show 5. On the bottom there are some rubber feet to keep it so it doesn't slide around, and this is actually magnetic here, so when it goes onto your Echo Show 5 it will stay put. And on the front there is a little button here, and that is where you turn it on. You just have to hold that for 2 seconds, and then these lights will illuminate, showing you the charge on the battery. The battery in the base here is 100,000 milliamp battery, which will give you about 9.5 hours on your Echo Show 5 at 50% volume. This is our Echo Show 5 here. So this is basically just a tiny little Echo Show, but the sound is much better than an Echo Dot. So if you needed better sound, this is the way to go over an Echo Dot. And I actually use this on my nightstand, and it's my alarm and obviously voice control as well. And on the bottom you can see there is a rubber base here with this cutout, and that will fit right onto this base perfectly. Also, I should mention in the box, basically there is the box, the battery base, and instructions. And that's all you get in the box because you don't need anything more. This is a very simple device and it just works right out of the box. So all you do is take your Echo Show 5 and put it on the bottom here, and it will actually fit right in there perfectly. See, it pops right in. The magnetic base just holds it right in place. Also, when you put it on, you can also tilt it as well. So if you need to see the screen or use the screen for anything, it's easily tiltable. And then on the back, all you do is plug in the power, just like that. So that's what it looks like on the back, and it looks real clean. Very simple. And now to turn it on, all you have to do is hold down this button on the front for 2 seconds, and now these are lit up blue. Probably can't see it because we are outside and it is pretty bright out here. See, you can see anything turning on there. So my screen is now turning on and it's just starting up. Now one thing while this is starting up, I do use this on my nightstand like I mentioned earlier, and these 4 LED blue lights, they are super bright. So if you're going to be using this on your nightstand, what you might want to do is just put some tape over that, maybe some black tape or something, just to block those out, because I couldn't sleep with it plugged in next to my bed. So that's one thing that I don't like about it. It works really well. You know, it's got the tilt. It doesn't swivel, but you can obviously turn it, you know, put it on the surface that you want it to be on, and that will be that. So now we can just say, Echo, what's the weather going to be like today?
In Myrtle Beach, it's 79 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny skies. Today, you can look for thunderstorms, with a high of 82 degrees and a low of 73 degrees.
Alright, and there you go. It works. And all we have to do is plug it in here in the back when we're not using it, and that will keep it charged. You can also keep your Echo Show 5 right on this base and charge the base and power your Echo at the same time. That way, whenever you want to take it out, just unplug it from the back here and then take it wherever you want to go. You can also use it in the kitchen. Say if I use this on my nightstand but I wanted to follow a recipe, I can easily take it from my nightstand, bring it over to the kitchen, follow the recipe in the kitchen, and then take it back to my nightstand. That way you don't have to buy as many devices, and this gives you the portability to take it outside or anywhere you want to take your Echo. So I hope you found that video helpful. This is a really nice little base here. It's really not that expensive for what it does. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Also check out the other videos on the screen now, and I will see you on the next video.